We were looking to, for the environment, of course, it was an important issue. We have an electric car and we wanted that all to fit as one unit. Our son had put solar on his roof, and we felt it was a really good move. My son wasn't happy with the company he was with, so I decided to, I did call them, but they never called me back. So I decided to go online and view the various companies, and I came across Solar Bear, and I liked
their reviews.
All the reviews were really good.
Positive.
Yeah, really good. I phoned them and asked. The salesman came right out immediately. He was great, Christopher, and just been. He's held our hand all the way through this whole process, and if I call, he responds instantly. He's a really good guy, and so I've been very happy with everything so far. The service is really exceptional. They did everything they said they would do on the day that they said they would do. Everything has been excellent. So the experience has been just superb.
From the guys putting the stuff on the roof.
And my son started his processing back in March, and he only just got on the grid a week ago. So here we are. It's only been a couple of months and we're up and running. So I'm very happy.